Welcome and welcome back to my channel. First, I would like to say thank you for all the love. I've been getting a lot of likes, a lot of views, quite a few subs, and some, little extras in my PayPal, and I'm so grateful for that. And seeing how you guys wanted to see this, I'm going to open it for you. And we'll see what I can show you. Okay, first we have a dino egg. Not a dino, it's supposed to be a dragon egg, so let me go with the rest of my collection. Is that cool or what? It's supposed to look like that. What else? Oh, okay. It's in its own little package. No big deal. Well, let's see if we can just rip it first. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is kind of big. I expected this to be a bit smaller. It's an egg mold. Just in time for Easter. It's huge, man. Let me see. Oops, sorry about that. It's about 4.5 inches. By 3.5, by like 1.25 inches. This is cool. I love it. And last but not least, more organizers. I really needed these. So I wonder if these are the ones that actually have dividers in it. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you miss. Nope, they aren't the one with the dividers in it. But that's okay. I needed these, so I got 3 of these. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Show some love for my temuhaul. And I'm going to be making something special with these too. Thank you so much. Get up there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Throw something on my PayPal so I can keep these videos going, because that's what's making this happen. But I love you all the same, no matter what you do. Have a nice day. Namaste. Sorry I couldn't show you the demolding of these, but I nearly broke it. Took me 20 minutes. See that right there? And that took me 20 minutes to get them out. But this is what they look like. Could turn them into earrings, I guess. That's the small one. That's the medium. And of course, this is the large. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Namaste.